Okay? Simple. We start with our 1-2, jab straight, and then uppercut. We start with another 1-2 again, 1-2, and then elbow. We start with another 1-2 again, 1-2, stepping hook. Start with another 1-2 again, 1-2, uppercut, lead uppercut. We start with another 1-2 again, Superman punch. We start with another 1-2 again, 1-2, then overhand. Start with another 1-2 again, 1-2, Superman overhand.